Renovating your home on a budget, engaging in do-it-yourself (DIY) projects, and increasing your home's value can be rewarding and cost-effective. Remember that the key to successful home renovation and value increase is careful planning, diligent research, and willingness to put in some DIY effort. By focusing on budget-friendly choices and enhancing the right areas of your home, you can achieve your goals without breaking the bank. Here are some tips and tricks to help you with these endeavors. Plan and prioritize. Create a detailed renovation plan that outlines your goals and budget. Prioritize essential repairs and updates over purely aesthetic changes. Prioritizing essential repairs and updates over purely aesthetic changes is a critical first step to ensure your home renovation stays within budget and achieves your goals. Shopping smart for materials and fixtures is a key part of renovating on a budget. By finding deals, discounts, and cost-effective options, like clearance sales on materials and fixtures, you can save a significant amount of money on your home renovation. Consider visiting salvage yards, second-hand stores, or online marketplaces for affordable options. Do it yourself. If you're handy, tackle simple projects like painting, minor repairs, and basic landscaping yourself. Engaging in do-it-yourself projects is an excellent way to save money on labor costs during your home renovation. This can save a significant amount on labor costs. Refinishing, rather than replacing, can be a budget-friendly approach to reviving various elements in your home. Consider refinishing kitchen cabinets, countertops, or hardwood floors instead of replacing them entirely. It's often more budget-friendly. Opting for budget-friendly materials that mimic pricier options, such as laminate flooring that mimics hardwood or tile, is a savvy way to achieve a high-end look without breaking the bank. Repurposing and reusing existing furniture and materials, whenever possible, is an eco-friendly and budget-conscious approach to home renovation. It not only adds character and uniqueness to your space but also reduces waste. For instance, old doors can become stylish table surfaces, and reclaimed wood can be used for shelving. Now I am taking a moment to thank you for subscribing to my channel. Your support motivates me to create more content that you'll love. I'd also like to encourage you to leave a comment and let me know what you think of the video. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me improve my content. Investing in energy-efficient upgrades during your home renovation is not only environmentally friendly but also a smart financial decision in the long run. Invest in energy-efficient updates, such as weather stripping, insulation, and LED lighting. They may cost more upfront but will save you money over time. Educating yourself before embarking on DIY projects is a crucial step to ensure the successful completion of tasks and your safety. Gain the necessary knowledge and skills through online tutorials, books, or classes. Familiarize yourself with tools and safety precautions. Starting small with manageable DIY projects, before taking on more complex tasks, is an excellent approach for beginners. It allows you to build your confidence, develop your skills, and gain valuable experience. Investing in quality tools is a smart decision for anyone looking to tackle DIY projects. High-quality tools not only make your projects easier and more efficient but also help you achieve professional results. Owning the right tools for the job will make your DIY projects easier with lower cost. Always prioritize safety. Use protective gear, take safety precautions, and know your limits. For complex projects, consider consulting or hiring professionals. Don't hesitate to ask friends or family with experience for assistance or guidance. They can provide valuable advice and support. Now I will give you some tips and tricks to help you increasing home value. Enhance your home's exterior with landscaping, a well-maintained lawn, and a fresh coat of paint on the front door. First impressions matter. Kitchens and bathrooms often have a significant impact on home value. Consider updating fixtures, countertops, and cabinets. Improving energy efficiency can boost your home's value. Invest in better insulation, energy-efficient windows, and smart thermostats. If feasible, create an open floor plan to make the living space feel more spacious and modern. Consult a contractor to determine feasibility and budget. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. Stick to neutral colors for broad appeal and a clean, fresh look. Increase storage space with built-in closets, shelving, or attic conversions. Adequate storage is a sought-after feature. Thank you again for your support, and I look forward to sharing more videos with you soon.